What was once just a dream, today has become a new ray of hope for countless lives. This is Karachi, where new hopes are born every day. And to fulfill these very hopes, Karachi Institute of Neurological Diseases and Rehabilitation, that is Kind-Ar, which for patients suffering from mental, psychological and neurological disorders now is fully operational. Come, let's step back to the beginning of this story. The journey of Kind-Ar began in 2017, when Helping Hand for Relief and Development acquired the land for this project. In the following years, under the supervision of healthcare experts, a comprehensive feasibility report was prepared, incorporating the vision of an outpatient department, a 150-bed hospital, a rehabilitation university, and 130 satellite clinics across the country. Following design approval in 2022, the construction contract was finalized in 2023, construction commenced in 2024, and was successfully completed in September 2025. Alhamdulillah, Kind-Ar services were soft-launched on December 16, 2025, while the formal inauguration was held on February 4, 2026. Here, hundreds of patients daily receive completely free, dignified, and high-quality treatment and rehabilitation facilities. And all of this was only made possible through your support. For every patient arriving at Kind-Ar, the first step towards hope begins right here. Every patient coming here is warmly welcomed, registered, guided to the relevant department as needed. An advanced digital check-in system streamlines this entire process, ensuring every patient begins their treatment with dignity, ease, and peace of mind. For many families, this is the exact place where despair slowly begins to transform into hope. Kind-Ar features specially designed rehabilitation centers dedicated to children.
यहाँ पे ऑटिज्म, ADHD और दीगर नशोनुमाई मसाइल से मुतासरा बच्चों को फिजियोथेरेपी, ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपी, स्पीच थेरेपी एंड सेंसरी इंटीग्रेशन जैसी सहूलियात फराहम की जाती हैं।
Here, the objective is not just treatment, but offering every child a brighter future, self-confidence, and renewed hope for their parents. Modern treatment becomes truly effective when it is accessible to those in need. Here, through your support, cutting-edge medical technology has been integrated into this journey. This spinal decompression machine is one of the most advanced tools in rehabilitation.
कराची इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ न्यूरोलॉजिकल डिजीज़ एंड रिहेबिलिटेशन पाकिस्तान का वो वाहिद इदारा है जो कमर और गर्दन के दर्द का नॉन सर्जिकल इलाज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट प्रोवाइड कर रहा है। ये जदीद स्पाइनल डीकम्प्रेशन AI जनरेटेड मशीन रीढ़ की हड्डी में होने वाले दबाव को नहायत महफूज अंदाज में कम करने में मदद फराहम करती है, मरीज़ के मेयार ज़िंदगी और हरकत को बेहतर बनाती है।
The foundation of accurate treatment is accurate diagnosis. At Kind-Ar, alongside health rehabilitation, complete outpatient and diagnostic facilities are provided under one roof. This dedicated team of 52 specialist physicians and over 40 committed staff works day and night to transform the lives of deserving and underprivileged families across Pakistan. Neurodiagnostic facilities including EEG, EMG, X-ray, and ultrasound, as well as a modern pathology lab, are available at Kind-Ar. This ensures that through timely and accurate diagnosis, every patient receives optimal and high-quality care. At Kind-Ar, it is not just treatment through a temperature-controlled pharmacy and qualified pharmacists. The availability of medicines at standard quality and affordable prices is also ensured. Every patient brings a unique story of their own. And sometimes a few moments express these stories far more beautifully than words ever could. Let's meet one of these patients.
मेरे बेटे का नाम मोहम्मद है और वो शुरू से बोल नहीं पा रहा था, जिसकी वजह से हम लोग परेशान थे और मुख्तलिफ़ जगहों पे भी गए, लेकिन हमें कोई डायग्नोसिस नहीं करके दे पा रहा था इसके साथ प्रॉब्लम क्या है। फिर हम लोग जब काइंड-आर में आए तो यहाँ पर इसके मुख्तलिफ़ टेस्ट करवाए तो पता चला कि इसको हेयरिंग प्रॉब्लम है। जब वो सुन नहीं रहा इसलिए वो बोल भी नहीं रहा है। अब माशाल्लाह से यहाँ पर आने के बाद उसको हेयरिंग एड लगे हैं तो वो उसके सेक्शन भी हुए तो माशाल्लाह बोल भी रहा है और एक नॉर्मल बच्चों के साथ स्कूल भी जा रहा है ये।
The success of Kind R lies in these smiling faces and improving lives. Alhamdulillah, this is the transformation for which this journey was started. This is Pakistan's state-of-the-art physiotherapy department. Here, under expert supervision with AI robotic gait trainers, AI-based SkyTrack systems and advanced modalities, this team is returning mentally and physically challenged patients back to a new, self-reliant life every single day. The journey of Kind R does not end here. The true strength of an institution lies in its visionary outlook. When the burden of operational expenses is reduced, priorities naturally shift. Supported by solar energy, reduced operational costs translate directly into enhanced patient care for today and for tomorrow. This is not merely a building, it is a permanent investment in health rehabilitation. Every smile, every step, and every life restored is the result of your donations and trust. Our next step is establishing a world-class hospital, a rehabilitation university, and a research center, so that this service to humanity continues for generations to come. Your support allows us to reach more people, respond to greater needs, and create lasting impact. Please join us in carrying this mission forward. Kind R, journey from hope to reality.